Welcome back to the channel, guys. Today, kind of a last minute decision on doing this install because of the weather. It's not even Halloween yet and we already have snow, so I'm not working today, so I decided I may as well jump downstairs and do this install. Let's do it. So I'm going to be installing the LOGOS WRX badge, and it will be going in my front grille. Massive shout out to LOGOS for sending this out to me. First things first, we're going to go ahead and take my battery cover off, and it's going to be a pretty simple install, so I'm just going to jump right into it. So I'm hoping to do this install without actually removing the bumper. I'm just going to take this trim panel off here, and hopefully I have enough room to access the grille from the top, and then I'll go ahead and wire it. And I do want to mention I just ordered a distribution block for my battery today, so I'm not gonna tuck the wiring or anything. I'm just going to have it functional, and then tomorrow the distribution block will be here, and I'm going to have all my accessories go to the distribution block just to clean everything up. So I'm going to do a proper wire job on that. But for now, I'm just going to install it, get it functional, and show you guys the app. So I got this trim piece off, and there's more than enough room to reach the grille from the inside. So now I'm going to go ahead and get this guy all set up, position it where I want it in the grille, and then I'm going to use zip ties. Those 4 holes, you can squeeze a zip tie through, so you can pass it through there and then it'll attach to the grille. So that's what I'm going to do, and yeah, should be pretty easy. So just to show you quickly before I actually do it, because it's going to be hard to see once it's on the grill, that's all I did. 2 zip ties, and you just feed it through there and then put it onto the grill. So super easy. So what I did to fit the connection through the grill was I just clipped a piece of the grill with side cutters so they could pass it through. And then the cut, I'm just going to grab my needle nose pliers and kind of just pinch it back together, and it'll be hidden by the badge anyways, so you won't see it. So there you go, I just pinched the mesh back together and you can barely even tell it's cut. And now I can go ahead and zip tie this to the grill. I'm excited to see it, it's going to look awesome. Super easy to do with those zip ties, so that's where I'm going to have it mounted. And now I can go ahead and start doing my wiring, and just keep in mind I am rewiring everything once I get my distribution block, so this won't be clean at all for now, but yeah, look how good that's going to look. So for the wiring, I went ahead and popped off my fender shroud. I'm just propping up my hood here. And then I'm going to end up tucking the box just underneath my fender. That's where I have most of all my other wiring. And then I can run it to the battery for now, and then once I have the distributor, then I can, wherever I end up mounting it, attach it to that. So we're almost there, and I'm stoked to see it on. So it's all wired up and working, and just a quick recap for the wiring. I just ran it down below the little crash bar here, and then I ran it up, and I tucked the box and most of the wiring under that fender shroud, and then for now it's just going to my battery. So super simple install, and it looks so good. So the app you're going to want to download is this one right here, LED Hue. And then you're going to have to pair it to the box. So super simple app, and I'll run you through how to actually use it. So I'm going to show you how to sync your phone with the light. If you go ahead and open up the app, all of these will show up just on the home screen here. And if it doesn't show up, just swipe down on this box and it'll refresh it, and then you'll see lit logos. Connected. Enter. And just like that, it's connected. So easy to use. And there's a bunch of different modes you can play around with. You can change the color. It's super easy app to use. And the install itself honestly takes like 20 minutes. So I'm stoked on it. So there's so many different like show modes, if that's what you want to call it, just by clicking the left and right arrows, and you can like toggle through all the show modes. So many different ones. It'll take me forever to go through all of them, but you can just toggle through using the arrows, and then when you find one that you like, you can click the heart at the top, and then you can save all your favorites so it's easy to find them. So I'm still learning the app, but so far it's super simple and easy to use, and the light looks so good. So when you're on this screen, you're going to want to make sure that you have this setting, GRB SK6812 underscore RGBW. Total pixels 30. So if you have this setting, it's going to be the like clearest setting for this specific setup. So that's the one you're always going to want to use. And then just to toggle the light on and off is just this switch here. So super easy. Yeah, the modes are pretty cool. And then this middle one, this middle slider here is the speed of the light. So you can speed it way up, or you can slow it way down. Just depends on your preference. These are all solid colors. That's your rainbow of colors. And then, like I said earlier, all your show modes, which they're like endless. It's insane. So yeah, that's the app, and that's the finished result. Honestly, probably one of the easiest installs ever. Like, I'd give it a 1 out of 10. Anybody can do it. It's all plug and play. You don't have to know how to wire or anything like that. It couldn't get it easier, and it took me like 20 minutes. So, pretty sweet. I'm excited to run that at shows. The very last step to the install, and the most satisfying. is peeling all of this off. Damn, it looks so good. So sleek. I love it. So that concludes today's video. Super easy. Looks amazing. Got everything put back together. Can't even tell where the wiring is, and that's how it should be. I love it. This thing's gonna look so good at shows when I have the light bar and my headlights on. It's gonna be amazing. So, thanks for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed that video and it helps you out a little bit, even though it's an easy install. But definitely check out Lit Logos. He's got some pretty sweet stuff. So, thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.